Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing some cleaning in this video. I need to tidy up around the house because it's a bit messy. Not too bad, but I just need to straighten up. So that's what I'm going to do today. The kitchen isn't bad at all. I just need to clear off the counters, put this projector away. I was doing a review on that, testing it out. And then I need to come in here and clean the bathroom because it's really messy. I have a ton of products out. I wanted to clean my makeup brushes. But I'm not going to do it in this video. I'll just do that tonight because I'm not in the mood to deal with all of these brushes at all. But I have hair products out, and then my husband has his like shaving stuff out. I have these perfumes out because I did want to tell you guys about this. So this portion of today's video is going to be sponsored by Scentbox. I just want to let you guys know about it because I absolutely love Scentbox. You do get a 30-day supply, so this one bottle is supposed to last you for a month if you're using it every single day. And Scentbox is a very affordable subscription service. This is $14.95. I do believe they're running a sale right now. So I'm on the site right now. They do have a sale going on for $9.72, which is even better for your first month. They have so many fragrances to choose from, guys. A ton of designer fragrances as well. And I really love this because you get to try it out for a long time. Sometimes you cannot just tell from doing one sample at the store or like rubbing the tester that's like in a magazine, rubbing that on your body and just thinking, oh, you're gonna love that fragrance. You definitely need more than just a few hours or a day to test out a fragrance to know if you're really gonna love it. These fragrances aren't cheap, especially if you're going for the designer fragrance. I made the mistake of getting a really expensive perfume because I thought it smelled so good in the store just from like spraying it after I sprayed like maybe 5 others. After a while, I just did not like the smell. I definitely wasted a lot of money. But doing it this way for only $14.95, if you don't catch the sale that's going on right now, it's still going to save you a ton of money. And you get to just play around with different fragrances. If you don't like it, you can exchange it for a different scent as well. And you can cancel anytime. It's not like you have to be on the service for a year before you can cancel. No, you can cancel it anytime. If you're in the US, it will ship for free, and if you want to exchange it, that is also free as well. So there's no like extra charge if you don't like the scent that you selected and you want to switch it out for something else. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that because I think this is so great, and I just feel like I'm winning here because I don't wear perfume every single day. This is Flower Bomb. This is like one of my favorites, and I believe I had this one since August. Yeah, it seems like I'm not even using them, but I definitely use it. I use this one more than any of the other ones. But yeah, Flower Bomb, it smells really good. And now at least I know when I run out of this, I can go and get the full-size bottle and just use this to refill it. Like if I'm traveling and I don't want to bring the entire bottle with me, I can just pour some in here and just like have this for my travel bag. I definitely recommend Scentbox if you want to like try out scents before actually buying the expensive bottles, especially if you're going with the designer fragrances. You know, do it this way first so you can make sure it's going to be a fragrance that you really love before like purchasing the more expensive bottles, because this is just going to save you so much time and so much money. But I will have the link in the description box for this, guys, so definitely check it out. And then over here I just have some clothes that I need to hang. Just put this stuff away. I was purging my closet, so I, you know, freed up some space. I didn't want to go out and buy new hangers, so I just went ahead and did some purging. The bathroom isn't really dirty. It's just, you know, a lot of stuff everywhere. I do need to clean the shower glass because I haven't done that in a while. Actually, I clean like the inside of the shower because I like to do that when I'm taking a shower. I do need to just decorate the space, but I'll save that for another video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started tidying up the house, guys.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell now I could spell them out if I still tried. Guess I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away.
So I'm going to be cleaning all of my tables in the living room. I don't do this every single day when I'm just tidying up the space, but I haven't done it in a while and you can see some of the dust starting to build up on my surfaces. So I'm just going to go ahead and take care of it in this video, but I definitely don't do this every single day because it's unnecessary. And when you have a glass table, you're going to have to wipe it down more often because of the dust. Of course, there's always going to be some dust collecting, or if you have kids, you have to deal with their little fingerprints all over the table or just smudges because you can see it. Unlike wood, you cannot see fingerprints, but I don't mind it because I really love my glass and mirrored pieces and I enjoy cleaning as well. So it's not really a big issue for me and the house doesn't get super dusty anyways.
All night, baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line.
Now, if you've made it this far into the video and you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video.
Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you never.
Now on the inside of the glass, I am using a vinegar and water solution. So if you're wondering what that bottle was, it was just an empty bottle that I had, and I put vinegar and water inside, and that's what I'm using for the soap scum.
Life is so bittersweet. Let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire, yeah.
Now I'm just finishing up with sweeping. I did mop as well, but I didn't record that part because my battery died, and everything else like the toilet and the tub was already clean, so no need to go over those areas. My main focus was to tidy up the mess, but everything else was good to go. All right, I am done in here. It's nice and clean, not so messy anymore. I put this rug in here just to, you know, get a feel for it. I'm trying to decide on if I want to do one big rug like this or do like separate rugs, like one in front of the shower and in front of the vanity. But I think I like this, just one big rug instead of having all of these smaller rugs in the space. Like I can still step out of the shower and reach the rug. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one in here. I just had it, so I decided to just place it in here because the size is just right. But I might switch it out depending on how I decorate this space. But it's clean, and that's all that matters. And the shower glass is nice and clean. I do need to find a really good product that's gonna get the soap scum off of the glass because I had to do a lot of scrubbing. Next time I'll try a dish soap with the vinegar and water and see if that works. I need to take the cleaning stuff out. I need to get like a caddy for the bathroom. Maybe I'll keep it in the closet, but I need to just have my products in here so that I'm not running to the kitchen or the laundry room just to get the cleaning products every time I need to clean. All right, it is time to tackle this kitchen. Not a lot, just clearing off the counters really. We have dinner going. My husband just came back from the grocery store. Let me see what he decided to buy. Corn, bananas, oranges, some turkey bacon in here, a salad mix, and then he has this cola drink, Jamaican cola. He is Jamaican, in case you're wondering. Carrots and some mangoes. Then he picked up some snacks. And what is this? Some Mountain Peak instant coffee. This is for his dad. He's coming into town for Christmas. I don't eat this, but Jamaicans, they love chicken liver. But yeah, so we got that, and then we just have some veggies, cucumber, green onion, lettuce, the plantain. I need this right now because I need to cook it. So let me put that here. And then we have some, what is this? Gizzards, chicken gizzards. He likes to eat this in his soup. I don't eat it. And then we just have some bread, bagels, and crackers. What's this? Oh, some ackee. Oh, I wonder if he found some saltfish. It's been so hard to find like saltfish in just like a Jamaican restaurant here. We find a lot of international stores, but they don't sell like a lot of Jamaican food. So yeah, then some more of the drink and some snacks. A lot of eggs because we love eggs in here. And then some butter. This is the one he likes. I don't too much care for this. I like real butter. But yeah, he likes this one. And some syrup. I don't like this syrup either. I like sugar-free syrup. Let me show you guys the one that I like to buy because I get it from Amazon. But it's the keto sugar-free maple syrup, and it is really good. Tastes like syrup. Well, I mean, you can definitely taste the difference if this camera would focus on it. But yeah, this is the one I like to buy. I was on a keto diet, but it's been hard like staying on keto and just having my body in ketosis because I do love carbs, and I was dropping a lot of weight being on the keto diet, so I actually had to get off of it because I was getting way too skinny. We have some oranges and tomatoes, apples, and some juice. Some Simply lemonade. I won't be drinking that. Too much sugar. But yeah, that's it. Oh, and this juice up here, which is full of sugar. I think his dad likes this drink though. That's why he purchased it. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this because I need to put this stuff away now.
I remember when we woke up, how your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, your legs so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep. I don't wanna argue 'cause it's never worth a fight. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 what a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. What a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. When we began here, we were simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain. And I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh, na na, oh, you're good with lies. Oh, na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, whoa, what a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. What a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. Lovely mess you You don't know when you left your phone. I saw. You don't know that.
All right, so I am done in the kitchen, guys. I still have food on the stove because I still need to eat, but I've been recording, so I'm gonna take a late dinner tonight. I still need to get some stools for the island, you know, put some seating there. I'm not gonna really focus on like finding that or just decorating the kitchen until after Christmas because we do have family coming in, and I'm not gonna be like doing a lot of home decor shopping. So the living room is nice and clean, and I showed you guys the bathroom already. But yeah, I am done with these spaces. The main area is clean, and that's what I really wanted. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.